Well, sounds like hailstones hitting the awning. The carport. And the window's sticking up. Maybe I'll get hit in the head by a big old hailstone tonight. Knock me out. We need the rain, that's for sure. Oh, those are some big raindrops. I'll figure out where the storm's coming from here. And the leaves are flying everywhere. And maybe I shouldn't be out here in the middle of nowhere before I get struck by lightning. And there goes the rain coming. Let's go get over here where there's some protection. I'm a daredevil, but not that daring. Let the rain come down.